Hello, Captain Moomoo here, and today I am finally doing the final take of my funicular lift that I built going up and down my stairs. Let's send it up. As you can see, make it go up. And it's going to stop when this knot hits here. Whoops. It's going to stop when this knot hits this. Then what you need to do, we added this little loop here because we had to cut this car off once to do a lot more maintenance on it. But you just hook it onto here. So it's quite useful. We chopped it off, then chopped it back on, put a knot on. But to make it go down, you don't even have to open that little cabinet box thing I showed you. But look, in here is where all of this is. You can see this little trace here because that was originally going to be one of the sides of the lift. I'm not sure which one it was, but yeah. Anyway, you can now remove it, then let it abseil down like this. But it automatically stops just here. You have to make it go quite fast in order for it to complete the full thing. And then you can open the door here. We could put something in. So, in fact, we got a Cosmo one. So, we'll put one of his power cubes in the lift. Oh my gosh. And take it up. This also has a rear door, which is a door on the other side of the lift. So we can take it up now. Forgot to mention that this would be my YouTube channel's second funicular, just as a joke, but okay. So it's at the top, we link it up, as I showed you before. Now we can open the other door on the other side and get his power cube out. I'll show you the door on the other side. Look, that, there. And if you want to see in the cab, I've actually decorated it, so it's got a button panel in. So I'll show you, I'll link it up to the top again. We can open the door. Look, there's the button panel. Yep. So yeah, that's what it's like. And we'll send it down one more time with the power cube in. And there we go. I wonder how much you could confuse Cosmo with the power cube on. That'd be hilarious. Confusing it that much. Not supposed to move that fast. But anyway, there's the cube. But anyway, that has been Captain Moomoo on a lift tour of the lift he built in his house. So bye.